AI business ideas that work right now. There are people making money with AI while you are still trying to understand it. And the uncomfortable truth is this: they are not smarter than you, they are not more talented, and they don't have some hidden advantage you don't. They simply started before they felt ready, and that single decision compounds faster than you think. Because while most people are watching tutorials, saving videos, and telling themselves they will start soon, someone else is already testing, failing, adjusting, and getting paid. And deep down, you feel it too. That quiet pressure that you're falling behind, that if you don't move now, you might miss the moment completely. And here's the shift you need to understand. AI is not the opportunity. Execution is. AI just makes execution faster, cheaper, and more scalable. Most people are approaching AI the wrong way. They think they need to learn everything, tools, prompts, systems, automation, before they can start. But that's just a more comfortable form of procrastination. Because the truth is simple. You don't make money by knowing AI. You make money by solving problems with it. And problems already exist everywhere. Businesses need content. People need help. Tasks need to be done faster. And AI is just a tool that allows you to deliver results quicker than ever before. So instead of asking, what AI tool should I learn? You should be asking, what problem can I solve today using AI? That question alone changes everything, because now you are no longer stuck in theory. You are moving in reality. Let's break this down into ideas that actually work. Not trends. Not hype. Real things people are getting paid for right now. Idea number 1. AI content services. Businesses constantly need content. Posts, emails, ads, scripts, and most of them either don't have time or don't know how to do it well. With AI, you can generate, refine, and deliver content faster than traditional creators ever could. But here's the key. You are not selling AI-generated text. You are selling outcomes, better engagement, more clicks, more attention, more sales. AI is just your invisible advantage in the background. For example, a beginner started offering simple Instagram captions to small businesses. Within 2 weeks, he had his first 3 paying clients. Not because he was the best, but because he moved first while others hesitated. Idea number 2. AI-assisted freelancing. Copywriting, design, research, data entry. These markets already exist and already pay. The only difference now is speed. You can do in 1 hour what used to take 5. That means you can either earn more in less time or free up your time completely. Idea number 3. Simple automation for small businesses. Most small businesses are overwhelmed. Messages, bookings, customer questions, repetitive tasks that drain time every day. With simple AI tools, you can automate responses, organize workflows, and save them hours every week. And they will gladly pay for that because you are selling time and simplicity. Idea number 4. Niche AI solutions. Instead of trying to serve everyone, you focus on one specific group: real estate agents, fitness coaches, local restaurants. You understand one painful problem they have and build a simple AI-based solution around it. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to stand out and get paid. Now here's where most people fail. They hear ideas like this, get excited for a moment, and then go back to doing nothing. Because ideas feel productive, but in reality, they are just comfortable illusions of progress. And ideas without action are useless. So let's make this real. If you wanted to start today, what would you actually do? Step 1. Pick one idea. Not 3. Not 5. 1. Because focus creates speed. Step 2. Find real people who might need it. Social media, forums, marketplaces, anywhere attention already exists. Step 3. Offer a simple result. A clear outcome. I will help you get X result in X time. Step 4. Start reaching out. Yes, you will get ignored. Yes, it will feel uncomfortable. And this is where everything changes. Because the moment you stop consuming and start interacting with the real world, you gain something most people never get: feedback. And feedback creates clarity faster than any course ever will. Let me give you a simple example. Someone starts offering AI-generated social media posts for small businesses. No audience, no brand, just outreach and consistency. First 20 messages, nothing. Next 30, maybe one reply. Most people would stop here. But if they keep going, something shifts. One client says yes. Maybe it's only $50 or $100. Another example. A girl with no background in tech started offering basic AI-powered email replies for small online stores. Within her first month, she wasn't making thousands, but she was consistent. And consistency turned into predictable income. That's how it starts. And once you have proof, you don't stop, you repeat. You improve your offer. You understand what clients want. You refine your process. And slowly, what felt confusing starts to become predictable. That's how real AI businesses are built, from imperfect action repeated enough times. And here's something important. You don't need to build a product at the start. Everything else comes later. Most people delay action because they think they need confidence first. But confidence comes after action. The first step will feel uncertain. The first message will feel awkward. The first attempt will probably fail. Good. That's how it's supposed to be. Because while you hesitate, someone else is already moving. Not perfectly, but consistently. And in this game, consistency beats talent. Over time, something powerful happens. You stop guessing. You start seeing patterns. You understand what works. You know how to get clients and deliver value. And suddenly, what felt complicated becomes simple. And that's the difference between people who make money with AI and those who don't. It's not knowledge. It's not tools. It's not luck. It's action. So here's the question you need to answer right now. Are you going to keep learning about AI, or are you going to start using it? Because the gap between those two decisions is where money is made. And the longer you wait, the wider that gap becomes. This space is moving fast, and it will not slow down for you. The people who win are the ones who move first and don't stop. So don't overthink this. Pick something simple. Start today. Make mistakes. Adjust. And keep going. Because the truth is simple. You are not behind because you are not capable. You are behind because you haven't started long enough. And 1 year from now, you will either look back and say, "That's when I started," or "That's when I kept waiting." And that decision is not tomorrow. It's not next week. It's right now. Be why using these simple business strategies, you can improve your processes and increase your revenue. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with your colleagues.